types of tinnitus. You might not know this, but there are many different types of tinnitus. Most people think of tinnitus or tinnitus. That's another highly debatable thing. A lot of people call it tinnitus. I call it tinnitus. It's tomato, tomato, just to clarify. But a lot of people think of it as a high-pitched ring, which is the most common type. We call that tonal tinnitus. But there are multiple different types of tinnitus. There's tonal, which is the high-pitched which most people have, but there's also hissing or buzzing tinnitus. Kind of sounds like a static, like a electric wire buzz. There's whooshing tinnitus, which is really commonly associated with a condition called Meniere's disease. Those people also have a lot of balance or dizziness problems, as well as a fullness or pressure in their ear. There's also musical tinnitus. It's very rare, but these people actually hear music. So if you're feeling bad about your buzzing in your ear, think about hearing Happy Birthday. It tends to be like songs from childhood. So marches, Happy Birthday, hymns. These people hear these over and over and over, and it's a documented condition usually associated with severe hearing loss that's untreated. So many, many different types of tinnitus. The only thing that is not tinnitus is voices, which again, we can all laugh about that, but it's a very serious condition. But anything else, any other sounds are considered a tinnitus sound. So lots of different forms of tinnitus, but a couple of people, people do get confused about because it's not a typical ringing, but those are all tinnitus sounds. So I'm curious, what kind of a sound do you hear? You can even have a multi-tinnitus sound. So I have patients that have 3 different pitches that go off in their ears. So, and they can fluctuate. Sometimes it can be there, sometimes it could go away, it can get louder, softer. There is not a typical tinnitus sound. So that's good to know that you are not abnormal if you have an abnormal tinnitus. There is not a normal tinnitus.